Water scarcity in the world, a global crisis. Water is one of the most essential resources on Earth, yet, over 2 billion people worldwide face water scarcity every day. With rapid population growth, climate change, and unsustainable water use, the global water crisis is worsening. In this video, we'll explore the causes, effects, and potential solutions to water scarcity. So what is water scarcity? Water scarcity occurs when the demand for water exceeds its available supply in a given area. It can be caused by natural factors, such as droughts, or by human activities, such as overuse and pollution of freshwater resources. There are two types of water scarcity: physical and economic water scarcity. Physical water scarcity occurs in regions where natural water resources are limited or over-extracted, leading to insufficient water to meet the needs of the population. And economic water scarcity happens when there is enough water, but the lack of infrastructure, investment, or management makes it difficult for people to access clean water. Causes of water scarcity: population growth. As the global population continues to grow, especially in urban areas, the demand for water increases. More people require more water for drinking, sanitation, agriculture, and industry. Climate change, rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events such as droughts and floods exacerbate water scarcity. Some regions that were once abundant in water now face droughts and unpredictable rainfall, leading to water shortages. Pollution. Water pollution, caused by industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and improper waste disposal, contaminates freshwater resources, making it difficult or unsafe to use. Polluted water is a significant cause of water scarcity, as it reduces the amount of clean water available. Over-extraction. In many regions, groundwater and rivers are being extracted at unsustainable rates. Over-extraction can lead to aquifer depletion and lower water tables, making it harder to access fresh water in the future. Agricultural practices. Agriculture consumes around 70% of global freshwater, and inefficient irrigation techniques waste significant amounts of water. Poor agricultural practices, like monoculture and overuse of water-intensive crops, further strain water resources. Impacts of water scarcity. Water scarcity has devastating consequences, not only for human life but also for ecosystems and economies. Health risks. Lack of access to clean water leads to the spread of waterborne diseases like cholera, dysentery, and typhoid. Around 1.6 million people die each year from diseases linked to unsafe water. Food insecurity. Water scarcity reduces the availability of water for irrigation, affecting crop yields and livestock farming. This leads to higher food prices, malnutrition, and hunger. Economic losses. Water shortages impact industries such as agriculture, energy production, and manufacturing. Economic growth slows down, and communities dependent on water-intensive industries suffer. Conflict and migration. As fresh water becomes scarcer, competition for water can lead to conflicts between countries, regions, and communities. Water shortages can also drive people to migrate in search of better access to clean water, creating displacement and social strain. Environmental damage. Ecosystems that rely on freshwater sources, such as rivers, wetlands, and lakes, are threatened by water scarcity. Species that depend on these habitats face the risk of extinction. Regions affected by water scarcity. While water scarcity is a global issue, certain regions are particularly affected, including Sub-Saharan Africa, a region where millions of people lack access to clean water due to drought, poverty, and poor infrastructure. South Asia. Countries like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh face severe water stress due to overuse of groundwater, population pressure, and the melting of glaciers in the Himalayas. Australia. Drought and irregular rainfall patterns have led to reduced water availability, especially in farming areas, putting pressure on both people and wildlife. Solutions to water scarcity. Although water scarcity is a pressing challenge, several solutions can help address the issue. Middle East and North Africa. This region is the most water scarce in the world. Countries like Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and Jordan rely heavily on desalinated water and underground aquifers, which are rapidly depleting. Water conservation. Encouraging individuals, industries, and governments to reduce water waste is key. Simple actions like fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and implementing water-saving practices in agriculture can make a difference. Improved water management, investing in better water management, such as rainwater harvesting, wastewater treatment, and efficient irrigation techniques, can ensure more equitable distribution of water resources. Desalination technology, which turns seawater into potable water, can be a solution for coastal areas facing freshwater shortages. However, this process requires significant energy and infrastructure investments. Recycling and reuse. Reusing water for non-drinking purposes, like irrigation and industrial use, can reduce the demand for fresh water. Education and awareness. Raising awareness about the importance of water conservation and the causes of water scarcity can empower communities to take action. Governments, NGOs, and media can play vital roles in educating people. Innovation and technology. Developing more efficient water-saving technologies, such as low-flow toilets, smart irrigation systems, and water-efficient appliances, can make a significant difference in reducing water use. Conclusion: water scarcity is one of the most urgent challenges the world faces today. With growing populations, climate change, and unsustainable practices, the demand for water is reaching dangerous levels.